Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login failed error in the Costco application. So when you are trying to log in into your Costco account, when you enter your email address and your password and hit the sign in option, you are seeing this type of invalid option here on the top. So in order to fix this, you need to simply close your Costco application and then you need to open it again, and after that you need to try signing in with the email and the password which is connected to your costco.com account. Now even after doing this, if the issue still persists, then you need to simply just select the option of forget password, and then you just have to go to the sign in page and you need to provide your email address and basically reset your password. Now after creating the new password, again you need to follow the same steps in which you need to provide your email address and your newly created password, and then you need to sign in into your account. Now if your credentials are correct but the application still rejects the login, then you can use the Costco's reset app data option. For that, you just have to simply open the menu and then you just have to go to the option of others. Now inside the others, you are going to see the option of reset app data, so you need to select that option and confirm it. After doing so, simply reopen the application and log in into your account again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.